today I welcome you after a simple C-Sharp pharmacy management system. This program allows users to manage inventory and handle customer purchase directly from the console. First, to start, we use three parallel arrays to store our data, one for names, one for prices, and one for stock levels. We also have medicine count variable. This is crucial because it tracks exactly how many items we've added so far, acting as a pointer for our arrays. The heart of the program is this do-while loop. It displays a menu and waits for user input. Depending on your choices, a switch statement triggers specific methods like add, view, or buy. The loop ensures the program keeps running until you choose option 5 to exit. In add medicine method, we take user input and store it at the current medicine count index, then increment the count. The view medicine method simply loops through these arrays and prints out the details. If no medicines have been added yet, it's smart enough to let the user know. The search feature uses a case-insensitive comparison, so it finds aspirin even if you type it in lowercase. Finally, the buy medicine method handles the math. It checks if the requested quantity is available in stock. If it is, it calculates the total bill and importantly subtract the quantity from our inventory. And that's the whole system. It's a great example of how to use arrays, loops, and conditional logic to solve a real-world business problem.